All right, here we go again. Let's start with this Lee Boy. Lot number 175. 134 hours. Interesting. Okay, what do we have here? AGT Industrial. Looks brand new. I wonder if it's made in China.
A teddy bear made in China.
258. Same with this one. Boy, that's small. I could use that at home though, if it went for the right price. Let's see what that thing, let's see what that thing goes for. Don't really see a lot number on it though. Okay, we got, let's see here, 204, 205, 213, 206, 197, 201, 202, 208, 191. Let's see, that's a 2023 New Holland with 185 miles on it. It's a case, 29,351 hours, a diesel, has a hydraulic leak. What are these? Oh. All right. 283. Okay, so we got 283, 280A, 280, 279, 273. Got some bigger boys here. That's 266B. Looks pretty good. Next one, cat. $267, $276, that's five. Let's see, 152, 767. That is an interesting piece of equipment. Okay. All right, we've got some generators. Wacker Newson. 134, 131. Some Generacs. 129, 128, 127, 178. Turns over with jump, does not start. See, that's 301. This one is not sure. Okay, I'll just let you look at this stuff here. Some heavy machinery. 761.
61.
Let's see, we have 769. And I'll get these prices. I have these prices up probably by the time I post this video. 706B. So what you'll hear in the video is me listing out the lot number, so I'll know where to look to find what it sold for, 706A. So what you're watching, 709, you should hear the lot number and you should see the price on the screen. 710, and the description of what it is. 721, 712, 717, 713, 719, 716. That's a neat little truck there. I mean, you can do a lot with that thing. 4,500 Ram. 2019, almost 200,000 miles. 10-foot dump body. 759. $760. $752. $751. $750. $745. $746. $791. $776. And last on this row, it's got a lot of stuff written up about it, 779. Engine for vacuum start with jump, but does not stay running. Town of Longboat Key. Well, today's been, it hasn't been super hot, mostly because of the clouds. But man, is it humid. And we just got back from North Carolina, close to the coast, up by Camp Lejeune. And man, it was humid up there too. Just as humid. It was bad. This humidity, man, if it wasn't humid right now, it would actually feel pretty good out here. Because I think we're only in the upper 80s and it's cloudy. So, got to deal with it.
What do you mean by that?